Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to perform Juggling Rainbow Flick. In the beginning, start juggling with your player. If you are facing the right side of the pitch, flick the right analog left-right. If you are facing left side of the pitch, flick the analog right-left. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.